Yes, sir. May I now request, we are handing over the premises, we are having the ceremony to hand over the premises. May I request our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao ji, to kindly hand over the premises to Honorable Chief Justice Mr. N.V. Ramanna. Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramanna, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the Chief Minister of Telangana, Honorable Mr. Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Ms. Justice Hema Kohli, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice R.V. Ravindran, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Chief Justice, Telangana High Court, Honorable Judges of Telangana High Court and Andhra High Court, Honorable Shri Indra Karan Reddy ji, Minister for Law, Forest and Environment, Honorable Shri K.T. Rama Rao ji, Minister for Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Honorable Chief Secretary Shri Somesh Kumar ji, Shri Jayesh Ranjan ji, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Shri Santosh Reddy ji, Law Secretary, esteemed members of the legal fraternity, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely honored and privileged to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of International Arbitration and Mediation Center, Hyderabad. I would like to request Mr. Sitesh Mukherjee to kindly come to the stage and felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramanna, the Chief Justice of India, and Honorable Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the Chief Minister of Telangana. May I request the organizers to please bring the bouquet, and Mr. Sitesh Mukherjee can hand over the bouquets to the guests. All right. I think that ceremony has already taken place. I'm so sorry. May I now request Honorable Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao ji, the Chief Minister of Telangana, to kindly launch our website of International Arbitration Mediation Center and deliver the special address. May I request the organizers to kindly bring the remote for the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly launch the website of IAMC. Yes, sir. As you can see on the screen, this is our website of International Arbitration and Mediation Center, Hyderabad. We are launching the website today. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to show you a short film which shows various facilities that are available. Yes, sir, after the video. We would like to now show you a short video of the film which we have made that shows various facilities available at the International Arbitration and Mediation Center. Can you please play the short film?
Infrastructure and facilities located in a high-end corporate tower at the financial district of Hyderabad. The center is ready for arbitration and mediation at par with international standards. Rooms are designed to cater to both large and medium-sized proceedings, depending on the requirement of the cases. Well-equipped breakout rooms can be used for confidential discussions during ongoing arbitration and mediation sessions. These multifunctional rooms can be utilized for arbitration and mediation in smaller groups as well as to cater to online proceedings. Easy access for arbitrators and parties to attend virtual proceedings as well as record evidence through video conferencing facilities. The arbitration halls at the center are large and spacious. They can be modified to suit both smaller and larger groups of participants. Using plush furnishings and latest gadgets in all areas, from mediation rooms to arbitration halls and arbitrators' lounges. The center has been built to provide state-of-the-art experience to its users. To complement its physical infrastructure, the center has put in place online case registration, online payment and document management systems. To file the case, the claimant needs to create a login ID, fill the arbitration request form by providing contact details of claimants and respondents, and upload the signed arbitration request. Make payment of the prescribed filing fee to receive an acknowledgement filing receipt and complete the arbitration request. Claimant's arbitration request is displayed on Arbitration Center's dashboard. Once the center accepts the arbitration, a notification is sent to all parties. The contact details and emails of all party representatives as well as tribunal members are captured by the platform. All parties get the access to shared storage space to upload case pleadings, exhibits, evidence, legal authorities, etc. at different stages of the arbitration process. Limited access rights ensure that the concerned party can file the relevant document in the exact assigned folder, but cannot delete or alter it thereafter. For the purpose of uploading documents, a link is provided with the procedural timetable page in the platform. This ensures that only documents that are within the prescribed timeline can be uploaded. Once a document is uploaded for filing, all parties as well as the tribunal can view it, unless the center restricts its access to maintain confidentiality. The center as well as the tribunal can also upload their respective orders in separately assigned folders. The platform will be used by the center to advise parties to make deposits on account of arbitrators' fees or center admin charges or any other head. Email notifications are sent out to the concerned parties to make the deposits. A party can click on the mail to go to the center's website and make online deposit. Online ledger of all payments and deposits received from each party under different heads can be viewed by the center and the tribunal. The platform is geared to handle multiple claimants and respondents in a single arbitration case in the same way.
May I now request Honorable Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Ji, the Chief Minister of Telangana, to kindly deliver the special address.
Respected Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, Honorable Justice Sri Lau Nageshwarrao Garu, Honorable Justice Ms. Hima Kohli Garu, Honorable Justice Sri R.V. Ravindran Garu, Honorable Justice Sri Satish Chandra Misra Ji, Honorable Justice from the State of Andhra Pradesh, my colleague ministers, senior officers, speakers, members of the legal fraternity, members of trade and industries associations, representatives of chartered accountancy firms and company secretary firms, members of press and electronic media, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. నిజంగా లాస్ట్ టైం రమణ గారిని తెలుగులో విన్న తర్వాత ఫర్ ద బెనిఫిట్ ఆఫ్ మై తెలుగు స్పీకింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు మేక్ మై స్పీచ్ టుడే ఇన్ తెలుగు. హైదరాబాద్ని అతిగా ప్రేమించే వ్యక్తులలో ఈరోజు మనందరం గర్వించేటువంటి భారత న్యాయ వ్యవస్థ యొక్క ఉన్నత శిఖరంగా ఉన్నటువంటి జస్టిస్ ఎన్వి రమణ గారు ఈ ఫెసిలిటీ ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ప్రధాన పాత్ర పోషించారు. ఐ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ బిగ్ క్లాపింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. నిజానికి ఇటీవలి కాలంలో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫారిన్ కంట్రీస్ అండ్ సో మెనీ అదర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ ఆర్ కంప్లైనింగ్ విత్ మీ. మీరు హైదరాబాద్లో చాలా చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు కానీ సరి అయిన ప్రాపగాండా చేయట్లేదు అని. నిన్న కూడా 2-3 ఫ్రెండ్స్ సింగపూర్ నుంచి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ వేరియస్ ప్లేసెస్ మన ఫెసిలిటీ చుట్టంతా తిరిగి వారు మీరు అసలు ప్రమోట్ చేయడం లేదండి, హైదరాబాద్ సింగపూర్ కన్నా చాలా బాగుంది అని చెప్పారు. చాలా వ్యవహారాలలో అంతర్జాతీయ ప్రమాణాలకు దీటుగా కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో అంతర్జాతీయ ప్రమాణాలను మించి మన హైదరాబాద్ నగరం పురోగమిస్తున్న ఈ సందర్భంలో చాలా ప్రోగ్రెసివ్ థింకింగ్ ఉండేటువంటి జస్టిస్ రమణ గారు వారు హైదరాబాద్లోనే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నత శిఖరాలు అధిరోహించి ఈరోజు మనందరం కూడా గర్వంగా తలెత్తుకొని చెప్పుకునే విధంగా భారత న్యాయ వ్యవస్థకే ఉన్నత శిఖరంగా నిలిచి ఉన్నటువంటి సందర్భంలో ఒక మంచి ఫెసిలిటీ నేను ఎక్కడైతే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశానో ఎక్కడైతే పెరిగానో అక్కడ తీసుకొని రావాలనేటువంటి సదాశయంతో వారు దీవించారు. ఆ దీవెన ఫలితమే ఈరోజు మనం ఇనాగ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఆర్బిట్రేషన్ అండ్ మీడియేషన్ సెంటర్. ఐ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ ది మినిస్టర్ ఫర్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో అవర్ చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ, ద సెక్రటరీ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ Mr. Jayesh Ranjan and his colleagues for bringing up this facility within a short span of time in expected manner. I really thank Justice Seema Kohli who have shown a lot of interest in bringing up this facility. ఈ స్థాయిలో ఇది తీసుకురావడానికి వారు కూడా కృషి చేశారు. జస్టిస్ రవీంద్రన్ గారు కూడా చాలా బాగా అసిస్ట్ చేశారు. ఇటువంటి మంచి ఉత్తమమైనటువంటి సెంటర్ ఇక్కడ రావడానికి కృషి చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా ప్రతి వ్యక్తికి కూడా నేను హృదయపూర్వకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. భవిష్యత్తులో డెఫినెట్గా అనేక విషయాలలో హైదరాబాద్ గ్లోబల్ డెస్టినేషన్ కాబోతా ఉంది. అందులో ఎటువంటి అనుమానం కూడా లేదు. న్యాయ వ్యవస్థకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రక్రియలో అనేక కారణాల చేత కోర్టులలో పరిష్కారం కాకుండా ఉండి ఆర్బిట్రేషన్ సెంటర్స్లో అంటే ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఫోరమ్స్లో పరిష్కారాలు లభ్యమవుతుండడం అనేది ఈరోజు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫ్యాషన్. అట్లాంటి ఫెసిలిటీ ప్రప్రథమంగా భారతదేశంలో మన హైదరాబాద్లో రావడం, అందుకు మన రమణ గారు మనం దీవించడం మనందరూ కూడా చాలా గర్వకారణం. ఇట్ విల్ రియలీ గో ఏ లాంగ్ వే. జస్టిస్ లావు నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు ఇంకా చాలామంది పెద్దలు దీంతో అసోసియేట్ అయి ఉన్నారు, లైఫ్ టైం ట్రస్టీస్గా ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి ఈ సెంటర్ అన్ని రకాలుగా మన దేశానికి, మన రాష్ట్రానికి, మన నగరానికి, మన వ్యవస్థకి గొప్ప పేరు ప్రతిష్ట సంపాదిస్తుంది అనడంలో నాకు ఎటువంటి సందేహం కూడా లేదు అని నేను హృదయపూర్వకంగా మీ అందరికీ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. తప్పకుండా ఈ సెంటర్ అన్ని విధాలుగా ముందుకు పురోగమిస్తుందనడానికి ఒక శుభసూచకం పెద్దలు రమణ గారి దీవెనలు ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఒక చాలా పెద్ద కేసు సెంటర్ ప్రారంభం కావడానికి ముందే మన సెంటర్కి లభించడం అనేది నిజంగా కూడా చాలా సంతోషకరమైన విషయం. వారు కొనసాగినంత టైంలోనే డెఫినెట్గా ఇంకా చాలా బిజినెస్ సెంటర్కి వస్తుంది. తద్వారా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్లో ఆ రెప్యుటేషన్ కూడా వస్తుంది. తద్వారా సెంటర్ అద్భుతంగా పురోగమిస్తుందని చెప్పి నేను మీ అందరికీ కూడా మనవి చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఇందాకనే మన రాష్ట్రంలో జరిగేటువంటి అనేక కాంట్రాక్ట్స్, ప్రభుత్వాలతో జరిగే ఒప్పందాలు లేదా ప్రైవేట్ కాంట్రాక్ట్స్ లేదా పెద్ద పెద్ద భారీ ఇండస్ట్రీస్తో జరిగే ఒప్పందాలు ఇక్కడనే మన సెంటర్కే వచ్చే విధంగా మన రాష్ట్ర చట్టాలను కూడా సూటబుల్గా అమెండ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది. దానికి నేను ఇప్పుడే జస్టిస్ నాగేశ్వరరావు గారిని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను. దయచేసి ఆ గైడెన్స్ మా చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ గారిని పంపిస్తాం, వరకు గైడెన్స్ ఇవ్వమని చెప్పాం. ఇమీడియట్గా ఐ అష్యూర్ ది ఆనరబుల్ చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ది ఆనరబుల్ జడ్జెస్ ఆఫ్ ద సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ that we bring in an amendment, a suitable law to facilitate the local arbitration also in our own center. ఆ రకంగా మీ గైడెన్స్లో తప్పకుండా అది కూడా వెంటనే ఆర్డినెన్స్ కూడా ఇష్యూ చేస్తాం. ఆ ప్రకారంగా ముందుకు పురోగమిస్తామని కూడా నేను తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మరొక్కసారి మనసు నిండుగా హృదయం నిండుగా జస్టిస్ రమణ గారికి వ్యక్తిగా మనందరి తరఫున రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా చేతులు జోడి నమస్కరిస్తూ మరొకసారి ఇంత గొప్ప ఆవిష్కరణ మన రాష్ట్రం కోసం చేసినందుకు వారిని హృదయపూర్వకంగా అభినందిస్తూ నేను విరమిస్తా ఉన్నాను. జై హింద్, జై తెలంగాణ.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramanna, the Chief Justice of India, to kindly deliver the inaugural address.
Honorable Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, Chief Minister of Telangana, Brother Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Sister Justice Hema Kohli, Honorable Judges of the AP High Court, Honorable Chief Justice Sri Satish Chandra Sharma, Chief Justice of Telangana High Court, Brother Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court, the Honorable Ministers Muhammad Ali, Honorable Minister Indra Karan Reddy, Honorable Minister Sri K.T. Ramarao, Brother and Sister Judges of Telangana High Court, Chief Secretary of Telangana Sri Somesh Kumar, Director General Sri Mahendra Reddy, Advocate General B.S. Prasad, Senior Advocates in the field of arbitration and mediation, representatives of industry, resource person, Sri Satish Mukherjee, Pro-Time CEO, Sri Nakul Diwan, Coordinator, media persons, learned guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. Namaskar. I am extremely delighted today again inaugurating this International Arbitration and Mediation Center at Hyderabad, and the Honorable Chief Minister is handing over the papers to me today. It's a great event. My heart is filled with joy and happiness because within a short span, in fact, last meeting, one week back when we organized a meeting of curtain raiser, I have told several things. That on 12th June when I came to Hyderabad after my elevation as a Chief Justice, when I mentioned this center, the Chief Minister immediately responded and we entered on 20th August, trust deed was registered. Then on 27th it is registered and 20th the MOU is entered. Within a short span of this, I think less than 4 months time, we have seen it with our own eyes, a wonderful infrastructure and the center has come up here. And it is a state-of-art center, and it is according to the persons who has gone across the world to see the International Arbitration Center, it is better than the Singapore International Arbitration Center. I am very proud of this infrastructure creating by the state. Now I want to tell certain things about how this ADR movement has started in India. I have last time also mentioned, but I thought this time it is appropriate to quote the view of the then Prime Minister Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu at that time while inaugurating the International Center for Alternative Dispute Resolution in Delhi in 26 years back on 6th October 1995. He said it, "Any democracy worth the man must provide for adequate and effective means of dispute resolution at a reasonable cost. Otherwise, the rule of law becomes a platitude and people may take law into their own hands." disrespecting peace order and good government. Effective dispute resolution is also necessary to secure the smooth functioning of trade and commerce, unquote. These words were spoken around at the time the Arbitration Conciliation Act 1996 was drafted and debated. With the economic liberalization, a need was felt to provide a viable alternative for the parties, both national and international, to resolve their commercial disputes in India. The Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996 was enacted to hope to provide that alternative. However, this is not to suggest that ADR mechanisms like arbitration and mediations are a new phenomena. The then Law Secretary Dr. Rao, who drafted this legislation, has said it. The concept of parties to a dispute settling the dispute in a binding manner by reference to a person or persons of their choice or private tribunals was well known to ancient and medieval India, unquote. So arbitration and mediation has a long history in India. Recently they have acquired prominence across the world as methods of dispute resolution. I don't want to in detail tell what are the benefits you are going to about creating this infrastructure. This is low cost, speed, control or timelines and process, autonomy of parties, more comfortable environment and non-adversarial nature. These are the benefits which I already indicated last time. The setting of the International Arbitration Mediation Center at Hyderabad, an important step towards enhancing the ADR landscape in the country. While arbitration centers have already been set up somewhere in India, particularly Delhi and Mumbai, domestic and international parties still appear and prefer before the foreign mediation center, that is Singapore or London. I am sure this trend will change with this Hyderabad center. Domestic and international parties will increasingly coming to this center, which has the world-class facilities. Its location in Hyderabad has also been an attraction. This is my city, so I might be accused of being a little partial towards it, but honestly, I think it is one of the best cities in the country. It is a growing hub of commerce and is one of the top destinations of the business in India. I am feeling proud that I could contribute something which will enhance the glory of the city of Hyderabad. Apart from that, Hyderabad has its own merits. I am not showing any favor or anything. It deserves all the best in the world. Hyderabad is strategically situated in the southern part of the country. It is a bridge between north and south with seamless integration of people of different cultures, languages, religions and regions. Most importantly, the people of this city are incomparable. They are welcoming, warm, filled with good cheer. I cannot think a better place than this for this Hyderabad. With a lot of hope and expectation, the center is being established. Collectively, we did our best. A world-class infrastructure and outstanding professionals are available to you at this center. If it is for you to take it forward and turn it into most sought after destination of resolutions of all types of disputes, including family and commercial disputes. I am of the firm belief that when you take up a mission with good intentions and good heart, it is bound to be successful. Now we have a very good people manning this center. I am confident that the Hyderabad International Arbitration and Mediation Center will emerge as one of the top destinations in arbitration and mediations. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who extended their support for this center. Generous thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who has extended his full support from the very start. His act of facilitating this center by way of allotting land, office space, logistics and financial support has ensured that the center became operational in the short possible time. This Chief Minister has the reputation of giving his best when he takes up such challenges. I am glad that together we have inaugurated the center today. I want to tell one more thing. Before the center started, 2 days back, when a heavy dispute between two families, that is Modi families, has come up before our bench. Sister Hima Kohli is also one of the members of the bench. So we suggested that for a mediation, they readily agreed, and we set a condition that we have to use the facilities of Hyderabad Mediation and Arbitration Center. So you already got a first case. So similarly, the Brother Justice Nagesh Rao has already informed me that some more foreign arbitrations are ready, which are in the pipeline, which once it is started, we are going to get it. Before starting the center itself, we are getting business. It's a good sign. I sincerely thank Sri Ravindranji, is the perfect person to keep this institute forward. His knowledge along with humility make him a role model for lawyers and judges everywhere. With Brother Justice Nagesh Rao dedicating his time and energy for this center, it is bound to flourish. Similarly, I thank Justice Hima Kohli, who supported this initiative wholeheartedly as the Chief Justice of High Court of Telangana. She provided immense support for the setting up this institution. She continues to give her invaluable inputs and actively contributed her thoughts and ideas for the betterment of this center. I thank Honorable Chief Justice of Telangana High Court, Sri Satish Chandra Sharma, has been providing his active support, his enthusiasm highly energizing. Within a very short span, he has endured himself to be all the stakeholders in the judiciary. Best, I wish him a glorious tenure as the Chief Justice. I thank him for extending all his support. Similarly, I thank the Honorable Minister for IT, Sri K. Taraka Rama Rao, Law Minister Sri Indrakaran Reddy, and the Home Minister Mr. Mahmood Ali, as well as the Chief Secretary of the State and IT Secretary Jayesh Ranjan, Law Secretary, as well as the Registrar Mr. Nagarjan and other High Court staff who supported this institution and made a wonderful hard work for all these days to come up and to inaugurate this thing. The Chief Justice of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh High Courts are here, along with the brother and sister judges. I request all you to consider this center in Hyderabad for any arbitration or mediation needs for the litigants, instead of sending them to some other locations that is far away. This would ensure cost-effective and efficient resolution of the dispute of local litigants. I am sure this center will lead the way for arbitration and mediation in the country and will become a primary center for not only in India but across Asia and the world. With these words, I dedicate this International Arbitration and Mediation Center at Hyderabad to each and everyone who worked hard to make this dream come true. Thank you. Thank you.
On behalf of the International Arbitration and Mediation Center Trust, I would like to convey my deepest gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramanna, the Chief Justice of India, and Honorable Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the Chief Minister of Telangana, to grace this occasion with their august presence and for taking out time from their extremely busy schedule. I would also like to thank Honorable Mr. Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Ms. Justice Hima Kohli, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice R.V. Ravindran, former Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Chief Justice Telangana High Court, and all the other Honorable Judges of Telangana High Court, Honorable Shri Indrakaran Reddy, Minister for Law, Forest and Environment, Honorable Shri K.T. Rama Rao, Minister for Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Honorable Shri Chief Secretary Shri Somesh Kumar Ji, and Shri Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Shri A. Santosh Reddy, Law Secretary, esteemed members of the legal fraternity, the Governing Council members of IAMC, and all the other people present here, including electronic and print media, the organizing committee, and all of you for taking out time from your busy schedule. Thank you all for making this event a great success. We look forward to your continuous support. Thank you very much.